Here is one situation where the referee helps the red team score the goal. Here's another one.
Pressing for their equaliser, 10 minutes to go. It's tries to clear, it's come off of Viviana Steinhaus. And it's in.
According to the laws of the game, if the ball touches any of referees and opponents start to control the ball and arrange attack or score a goal, the play must be stopped. It will be restarted by a dropped ball to a team whose player touched the ball last. All other players have to be at least 4 meters from the place of restart. We have one exception here. When this situation happens in the penalty area, then the ball is dropped to the goalkeeper in this area. This situation happened yesterday on the World Cup match between Netherlands and Ecuador.